Welcome to Lakshman Biology. We are discussing about the lethal gene. Lethal genes are two types, recessive lethality and dominant lethality. We have seen about the examples of recessive lethality. Now we will see one example for dominant lethality. Dominant lethality. That is Huntington disease. Huntington disease. If you observe the Huntington disease, the reason for the Huntington disease is because of mutation in gene that is present in chromosome number 4. On the chromosome number 4, we can see the gene. The name of the gene is HDT gene. This HDT gene produces the protein that is called as HDT protein. HDT protein. See, HDT protein is present in neural system like brain. Okay, example, brain. It is present in the brain, and it will play an important role in the functioning of neural system. But here, sometime what happened, because of mutation in HDT gene, HDT protein is not formed. Hence, we can see the neural system is degraded. Gradual neural degradation you can see in the patient that leads to death of the patient. That disease only called as Huntington disease. Then, if you see the inheritance of Huntington disease, in case if the person who has mutated one mutated allele, one normal allele, capital H is mutated, small h is normal. This is the mutated. When the person who has heterozygous dominant condition, if they are marry the person who also has heterozygous dominant condition, we can see the formation of two types of alleles. See, this is one organism, here it is one organism, male and female. Both produce two different types of gametes. One gamete is with the capital H, another gamete is with the small h. Capital H is mutated allele, small h is the small h is recessive allele, normal allele. See, if they contain the homozygous dominant or both mutated allele, person get the disease and die. Because of disease, person will die. If the person will get the only one mutated allele, then also person will die because of disease. If the person contain heterozygous dominant, person will die. If the person contain homozygous recessive, person will be normal. Here, one mutated allele also leads to death of the person. One mutated allele. Example, if you see this is the two mutated alleles are there. In first condition, person will die. Second, one mutated allele, one normal allele. Then also person die because of disease. If one mutated allele also enough to cause this disease, or if one mutated allele also leads to the death of the person, then the disease is related to dominant lethality. Example for that, Huntington disease. But if you see the lethality, severity is more if the person has two mutated alleles. Severity of lethality is less if the person has the one mutated allele, one normal allele. Means death. Death is postponed. Person will die, but they can survive up to 40 years also. 40 years. After that, 40 years means they will get the marriage and they will get family also. Then the person will die. That is about Huntington disease.